Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off automatic 24 hours format on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is click the digital clock on your home screen. And after that, okay, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and click settings. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, in clock portion, okay, you can see the change date and time. Okay, click change date and time. And okay guys, here in date and time, okay, you can see the automatic 24-hour format. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, you all have to do to turn on automatic 24 hours format is switch on the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, if this turn on, use locally default. And okay guys, we have successfully turned on the automatic 24-hour format in your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, you can turn off again by switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to turn on the automatic 24-hour format on my itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off automatic 24-hour format on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.